Parker, I see we have some precipitation on
That's right.
its way later this week, so maybe it's going to cool off even more.
Yes, that's right. In fact, actually, if you were tuning in with us earlier on Sunrise, you did see those temperatures are going to drop to nearly the 80s. We might even be in the 80s with the rain coming our way later this week. We're going to look at that later on Sunrise, because right now, if you're tuning in with us, you're looking live here in Victoria. Look at that pretty sunrise that's starting to slowly come up even behind the clouds. Look at that kind of, you can see the exposed cloud cover out there, but otherwise it's still plenty warm and humid out there, sitting at 77 degrees. Also looks quite busy for this time of morning right now. You're looking at the Loop 463, and that's Houston Highway going out to the airport, but still plenty humid with your dew point at 75 right now. No fog expected this morning, and also the rain has mostly died off. As you can see here on the radar, we did have some shower activity just south of Port O'Connor and Port Lavaca this morning near Seadrift, but that has started to die off over the last 5-10 minutes. And I think it's going to continue like that for the rest of the today. I've got chances today at 10%, bumping up to 20% for tomorrow. So maybe one shower somewhere in the crossroads. I can't tell you exactly where it is. In fact, no meteorologist or computer could ever tell you exactly where it's going to form. One of the hardest things to forecast for, actually, because today what we're going to see is actually something similar to yesterday. In fact, what we saw yesterday was there was going to be blue skies on the southern side of the crossroads and then completely cloudy skies, and there was a line separating it. So that's what we're going to see, but this time it's going to come out of the south, probably sometime around 1, 2, or 3 p.m. with, like I said, no shower activity, I think, for today, because in the background it's going to feel like up to 109 with the heat indices, or with the humidity still so high. So please be careful with that, because like I said, that's going to start cooling off when the rain comes back later this week, and we're going to take a look at that later on Sunrise.